First anniversary po sa ating lahat. Nakakatuwa po na napakarami natin ngayon. At isa pong malaking karangalan talaga na maging parte ng Board of Trustees ng Mobile Fund. I think this is our second year, ba? Second year. This is my second year as a part of the board. And apparently, kung napunan niyo po, di ba may plano tayo supposedly last year, but medyo nagkaroon lang ng mga problema. May mga inayos lang tayo ng mga elemento sa ating organization para isagawa natin ating mga gustong plano na nasabi natin last year. So, syempre, alongside with Kuya Dong, marami po kaming ginagawang sorpresa. Of course, for the benefit po ng lahat ng members and ng lahat ng mga future members natin from Mobile Fund. So, on May 11 po, actually, it's really happening. Magkakaroon po tayo ng Mobile Fund Charity Fund Run. It's called Lights Camera Run.